What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. We're out here at Marcus' house right now with the gang right here, and we're about to install the sun strip today, so let me show you guys real quick.
When'd you get it?
Here I got the sun strip in here, so yeah guys, it's just a matte black or a gloss black sun strip. Pretty simple, but I feel like it'll make the car look hella different, so I like it. And the new wheels though.
Muffler res?
For real? That's both? Oh yeah, huh? It's pretty loud. Unfortunately, my boy sold his CR Kais, so he actually got some reps, but it still looks clean though. But yeah, the CR Kais actually cracked, so he had to buy new wheels. That shit got fucked up.
And then I had to buy
low life though.
I had to buy. Wait, what are these?
Vordovins form.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that.
I sold two.
Dude, there's no wear on that
600, and I bought these.
Did you tell him it was a crack?
Guys, there's a fucking little friend on the wheel right here. I can't get it though.
I don't run the center cap, so
I can't get that.
Only on the back of the ES case. Oh shoot.
We got these, Marcus got these wheels, and I'm about to test fit them on my car, so yeah, we'll see how it goes, see how it looks, but they're pretty wet. They're like some CR Kai reps. They look really good though. There's hella stretch on these, so this is the first time I'm gonna run stretch.
Hey Marcus, you said it already?
no, I didn't.
Oh, the wheel has
It's on a lip right now, temporary. It's pretty low. Must be nice. Beautiful day today, but I got work. It's all good. Here's this car from a side view.
straight up. Wheel.
Yeah, it's straight. I see he has a Severe Sky sticker here, so shout out Severe Sky. We'll put his link down below.
Shout out Severe Sky though. Hella wet. Show him the sword though.
So here's his
Got a new
Takana shift knob. Pretty wet. Interior's looking clean. My boy Victor over here. Say what's up. So here's our mailman guy, delivering all the car parts. No car parts today. Say what's up to the vlog.
Hey.
Hey.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Marcus's car. He's gonna move his parking over here while we continue our journey on test fitting the rims. This is how we get us on the driveway. Oh, full send, boys. Take out my garage.
Shout out my boy Jerick.
Dude,
Dude, a bird wrecked his car, look.
oh,
shit.
shit
on it.
Sheesh.
So we got the small lineup right now. We got Jericho's whip. We got my car. And then today we'll be working on Chris's car. Can't forget about Victor. Hey. Fuck it, you're good. Fuck it. Here,
We'll do a little comparison.
This is my cock. This is your cock.
Oh,
I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding.
that's the stock rim, and then we got the Vordovins right here. There's a big ass difference though. But we're about to throw them on, see how it looks.
Here, hold these.
So currently, bad news. The lug nuts off the stock doesn't clear the Vordovins. So we're gonna be changing it.
But he only has two though, so it's kind of like.
What up, guys? We're out to fucking O'Reilly real quick because we gotta get some lugs for the wheels because the OEM lugs don't fit. So yeah, guys, we'll see you guys there.
I don't know, I'm trying to get like a peach flavor.
A sword though.
I know, it's like a...
Yeah.
I'm trying my friend's peach. I forgot the size, bro.
Ooh, we just made it to O'Reilly's.
Do you look up the size?
Alright, yeah.
It's like M1.
Got some lugs here. I might get some pink ones.
No way.
Hell nah.
Because they were cracked.
We out here at O'Reilly right now.
You know when I went to San
O'Reilly got hella shit though.
So look at the vlog, guys. Brake fluid.
Drink
We'll just open it in front of an employee.
In front of the employee. And take a big ass sip out of that.
Damn, bro, I got that tech. You got that tech.
Hey, oh.
You feel me?
Got that Bali.
Bruh, chill. That shit was open. Some chain lube. We're at Ranch right now. If y'all Asians know, y'all know.
Yeah, where
If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying?
The
Yeah.
cheeks go.
This is where I be. This is where I be going every day.
You know, our people.
Ooh. So we out here right now. We're getting food right now, guys. We got. Damn, look at that though. Look smacking right here.
But like, Jericho trying to hit up this.
Hey. If you guys know about them Asian markets, let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, we just got the new fucking lock nuts or lug nuts. These were fucking $30. So, oh! Oh, the spacers! So yeah, we're about to put on the wheels now.
What are you doing?
The spanner wrench so it gets caught on there.
Why?
So does the rotor doesn't move.
Alright, Chris, we're putting on the new rim. And it looks like he's having a difficult time right here.
Oh, dude, that looks nice, bro.
It fits.
Hey!
Oh, yeah. Here's Victor Wang.
So, you know, Victor Wing out here?
And look at his fat cock. So we got it on. They're looking. They got little two VQ brothers right here. Got twins. Must be nice. They got this ugly blue thing right here.
Hell no, that's Boost-mobile.
Oh shit!
No way.
That's clean.
My rub though.
Get that.
Hell no, you have stretch.
Get that.
You're good.
Oh,
Sheesh.
I'll never
Wait,
know.
wait,
I gotta do full log.
Damn, look at that, bro.
Sit.
Oh, that's clean.
Damn.
Shit.
So, Chris, tell me how you feel about this so far. Ooh, that's
Jump on
looking
it, jump on it.
clean.
Jump on it. Let it settle. More, keep going.
See, that's how you guys work it in the bathroom, guys.
Rank up from a G.
He's
Gold
trying to
over
rank
3.
up. Now he's silver right now. He's ranking up. Big rank up right here.
Trying to get silver too right now, bro.
Big dick. We got that, so.
What's up, guys? We just got both wheels on the fucking car, and it looks hella wet. Looks pretty clean, so we'll show you guys. Shit, it looks a lot cleaner. Even though I got different wheels in the back, but fuck it, you know? I'll show you guys from the side here. What's up?
What's up, Chris?
What's up? Hey, my hands are hella dirty, my bad.
Good.
For sure.
Did you go to class yesterday? Yeah. Oh, I did. I know you did. No, you did. You fucking alcoholic.
Hey, look at that. Yeah, I had to fill the tire right now because there's a leak and I'm not trying to debeat, so that's basically why it's taking a while, but it's all good. What's up, guys? We made it to the garage here. We're gonna fucking put on the sun strip right now to complement this. The new wheels, we're gonna need to put on this sun strip. Just another few small mods that'll make the car look a lot better. So this sun strip will basically add like a little black strip here. So the interior, I guess, we don't really need that top part. You don't really need to see through the top of the windshield, so it'll look a lot better. Yeah, guys, here's the lineup. Man, that shit looks sick. Fitment in the front got a lot better. I'll show you guys right there. Damn. So the lip is poking out because there is a little bit of stretch on these, but damn, I clear and my fenders aren't even rolled. Shit. I just wiped down the fucking windshield with some Windex, and now it's all clean. Now we're gonna try to install the sun strip. I just bought these fucking razor blades from Home Depot to install it, and this is what I'm gonna use to cut the vinyl. So I ordered this vinyl from Amazon. It was like 13 bucks and it's pretty good quality. Alright guys, so we got the wheels in the front and the sun strip on. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Damn, look at this lineup right here. Alright guys, that's it for the video though. If you guys did enjoy, leave a like down below and comment any suggestions, and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.